Eventually, the black hole and its quasar would have pushed the rest of the galaxy away. After sucking up its quasar, and with nothing left to feed on, the black hole would have been left dark and silent at the heart of the galaxy. So, a supermassive black hole, a force of terrible destruction, could also be fundamental in the creation of our galaxy. Nevertheless, its latent destructive power should not be underestimated. Back in Hawaii, Andrea Ghez has made a new discovery. She discovers a new source of light in the center of our galaxy. The black hole may be starting to feed again.
All of a sudden we saw something that looks like a star, but maybe isn't a star, but it's definitely a new object in our map. And the interesting thing is that it's located where we think the black hole is.
Ghez thinks this spot of light could be something amazing.
One idea that I'm particularly intrigued by at the moment is the idea that perhaps the black hole is feeding more right now.
A quiet supermassive black hole can start feeding again at any time. The light could be coming from hot gas as it's sucked into the black hole. If this light were just another star, it would be circling with the others. If it's the black hole itself, then it should stay still. To see whether it's moving, Ghez took 2 pictures of it, one in May and one in July.
We flash back and forth between the two. You can see the new source. You can also see the other stars that we said are high-velocity stars are moving.
Although the stars around it move, the new source stays still. This suggests the light is coming from the very center of the galaxy, the supermassive black hole itself. Ghez thinks that the light she sees is coming from the hot gas being sucked into the vortex of the black hole. So, if our black hole has started feeding again, could this affect the Earth even though we're 24,000 light years away?
We're in absolutely no danger of being eaten by the supermassive black hole. And in fact, if we do think that black hole is going through a slightly larger feeding at the moment, it's tiny. It's tiny compared to what other galaxies are doing.
Our black hole is merely having the equivalent of a small snack, feeding on a wisp of gas that strayed too close. The black hole stopped growing billions of years ago. Only a major catastrophe could make it fire up again, something violent enough to hurl stars from the safety of our galaxy's edge into its deadly heart. And we now know that one day this catastrophe could happen.